You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name once and for all correctly of this city in California. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from Cali, stay tuned. Mission Viejo is normally how it's pronounced locally. It comes from viejo, the Spanish word for old, meaning old, and in Spanish it's pronounced viejo, with the V pronounced like a B and the J pronounced like H, viejo. So it should be Mission Viejo or Misión Viejo, but in English, in California locally, it's usually pronounced as Mission Viejo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.